So here you can see that the student has tight hamstrings. They're kind of diving through a bit between their arms. They're on their toes a bit to protect the hamstrings, but the whole alignment of down dog is out of whack. So what you can do here, ask the student to bend the knees and then just pull them back. Don't move your hands. Don't move your hands. Lengthen from fingertips to sitting bones, and the knees are bent as much as you need. And I'm just using my body weight to draw back on her. Quite often you'll notice the student will walk their hands back when you do this. So just tell them not to do that. And now you can see that the alignment's a lot better. Bend the knees a little bit more. Yeah, so you can bend the knees as much as you need to protect your own hamstrings. And if you're not giving an assist, you can just give that instruction. Bend the knees any amount to protect your own hamstrings and just work the front part of the pose.